Hi, I'm Chris Kimball from the Ooni Experience team. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your Ooni Karu 16 pizza oven. For the most part, it's self-cleaning, but there are things you can do to make your oven really clean. We recommend using Ooni Pizza Oven gloves to keep your hands and wrists clean and protect them against rough or sharp edges on the inside and outside of your oven. Stay away from steel wool, scouring pads and abrasive dish sponges. Don't use water to clean the inside of your Ooni Karu 16 oven, or it might develop rust spots. Also, never put water on a hot baking stone, or it could crack. The inside of your oven doesn't need to be sparkling clean. Signs of use, including soot, colour changes and small marks, are totally normal and part of cooking with fire. Still, a quick once over will help keep your oven in good working order. Before you try anything else, run your Karu 16 at top temperature for 30 minutes. This will burn off any excess food or flour remnants. Always let your oven cool completely before you begin cleaning. To be on the safe side, leave your oven alone for a couple of hours after you finish baking, and always check for hot embers before handling any part of your oven. Then wipe out the inside with a dry cloth. After that, just use your Ooni Pizza Oven brush to remove any extra debris. You can also flip your baking stone over after you finish making pizza. It's double-sided. Use two hands to carefully take out the stone, turn it over and slide it back in. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner it looks. Wipe down the outside of your Ooni Karu 16 with a damp, lint-free cloth to remove any soot or dust. Get rid of smudges and smear marks on the mouth of the oven, door, chimney and legs using a non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner. When you're done, use a clean cloth or soft towel to dry. Wipe soot off the door with a dry cloth or paper towel. You can use warm, soapy water or bicarbonate of soda and vinegar to clean a dirty viewing panel. Make sure you dry the glass completely before you store your pizza oven. The inside of your chimney might get sooty over time. This is totally normal and it will usually burn off as you cook. If you do want to clean the inside of your chimney, you have a few options. If you have a small chimney sweeping brush handy, you can use it to push soot and debris out of the chimney. You can also use a dry cloth held in a pair of barbecue tongs, an Ooni Pizza Oven brush, or even a new toilet brush. Be careful not to hit the chimney baffle as you clean. And make sure the chimney is completely dry before reconnecting it to your Karu 16 or storing it away. Don't forget to clean your fuel grate to maintain airflow. It's easy. Just use your pizza oven brush to remove build-up ash on the grate so the air can circulate through properly when you use your oven. If you have an Ooni Karu 16 gas burner connected, give the thermocouple a wipe down with a dry paper towel to remove any soot build-up every 10th time you use your oven. And that's it. A little regular TLC and your Karu 16 should stay in great shape for a long time. If you have any questions, get in touch with the support team at ooni.com. Happy pizza making!